Okay, guys. Hey, it's Beauty by Simone. So I'm coming to do a little haul. I know y'all see all this mess. Hey, this is not a haul. I'm tripping. Get ready. Pack with me, okay? That's what I'm doing, y'all. So I had all this stuff packed earlier because I think I got a little beside myself. So I kind of like, packed like crazy. So now I'm like, wait a minute. I don't want this big old bag to be like extra heavy, heavier than what it has to be. I just did a haul on these clothes here, so you guys will see that. But I'm going to repack this bag and take some stuff out, which I already have, because, girl, I'm going to be gone I'll leave Thursday. We'll be back on Monday. So I'll be gone Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. 5 days. And I guess, I can count Thursday, but whatever. Anyway. So, y'all know how we do, girls. We be packing so much stuff because it's like, okay, what if we have to change? Or what if something happens and I want to, look a different way? So, we have to map this out now. These are sleeping clothes. I know y'all may think this is sleeping clothes, but no ma'am, honey. She's going to wear this as an outfit, okay? Okay. So that's an outfit. I was thinking, should I match up my stuff in like outfits? Because as you guys know, we're going to the Bahamas. We leave out of Florida. I looked at the weather in Florida and it will be like in the 70s. There's like a 30 or 40% chance of rain. So, I want to have jeans and shorts. I just want to be able to, be okay and not be looking crazy if the weather's crazy, okay? I need just some lounge pants like those. These are 2 blue jean shorts that I'm going to wear. And then I just have, what is this? These are my white jeans because we're going to do an all-white day there. Put that there. Actually, this is the shirt that's going to go with the all-white. Now I have these 2 pair of jeans. And I have just these shirts that I'm thinking of pairing. And I was thinking like these jeans I can recycle. Like I can wear them more than one day if need be. Okay. So I'm going to take these 2 pair of jeans and I'm just going to bring these shirts just in case I want to match those up with some different shirts. I am taking my Forever 21 jeans. Just in case I get cool. So that's there. And then I'm thinking all these shirts, like what shirt? So I'm definitely wearing this on the flight. This will be what I will leave in on Thursday. This is what I'm going to wake up and put on. And I'm going to put on my black Adidas with this. So this is the outfit that won't go in the bag. Okay, so 2 pair of shorts and some shirts. And then I just plan to take maybe like 2 sundresses. This is a sundress. You guys can see that. That's just a sundress. So I'm going to take that. This is another sundress. I'm going to take this one. Just trying to fold it. Okay. And actually, you know what? I'm just going to take one of these. I'm just going to take one. Which one? I'm going to take both. I can't decide. And then this is just like an all black dress. I got something on right here, but it's just the all black dress. It's kind of a meaty black, but it's all black. And just in case if I go to the captain's dinner, I'll just wear that all black dress. I have these shoes that I will probably just wear with the all black dress. It's a small heel, so that works. And then I was thinking about wearing it with the all white too. I have this little slide and then these little, just some cheap little flat slides that I will slide on. I can wear these slides with this dress. I can wear it with this, if I wore jeans and this t-shirt that red is off a little bit, or I can wear the jean shoe. Either one. I just want something just to be comfy and cute. Not trying to do too much on this ship, honey, but be comfortable and relaxed. I have a few belts. And then, oh, let me show you guys the other little dress that I'm going to take. These are my swimsuits. Now, I got to take these because my honey don't want me to wear my little real sexy one because he won't be there. So, we're going to wear the mom swimming suit. So, that's one. And then I'm going to bring this one too, which just goes like this and ties around. These are my mom's swimming suits. Because look at the butt. The butt's like full coverage. It covers everything, honey. Ain't no cheeks hanging out or nothing. So that's going to be that. Now, I got this little thing from the thrift store. It was a robe that I'm turning into a cardigan or whatever you want to call them. Kimono. So I was thinking about wearing that under there when I'm walking around. We'll see. But anyway, I'm going to take it as a cover-up. And then I'm going to take this one as a cover-up, probably just to wear over the black swimsuit to give me some pop of color. So I'm taking that, and then what else? This weekend shirt, I think I'm going to leave, and I think I'm going to take this shirt to wear with one of my shorts. Excuse me, these two shirts I'm going to leave home. Be right back, y'all. I want to show y'all the dress. Hold on, I'm going to show y'all the dress. One moment. Now, I got this dress from the thrift store, y'all. But, ooh, baby, it's going to be cute. Wait, I didn't do a haul. I didn't put this one on the thrift store haul. I didn't do one for this. But, girl, get into this. Look how colorful this is. I'm going to go iron over it a little bit. Even though I'll be able to iron it on the ship too. But, baby, get into these colors, girl. I am wearing this to the Bahamas, baby. That is going to be cute. So, if we go out or something, I'm going to put this little dress on. I might just find me like some flat little shoes with one of these colors in it. And then I have my little green, like this color tassel earrings that kind of, you know, the tassel ones. They're going to go with this. So, this is going to be too cute. Trust and believe, y'all. I will be taking pictures. So, you better believe that. Okay, so I have that. I just need one more pair of little flats. And then that's it. So, I'm going to finish packing. I'm going to take me probably one little purse to go around me. And I'm not getting my nails done. I was going to get them done. I got my toes done, y'all. And I freaking messed up like 2 or 3 of them because it was cold when I went. And I didn't have flip-flops on. I had on socks and boots. So, I thought I let them dry really good. And, honey, I put those socks on. Messed them up. And I dried them for a long time. So, I'm just going to take that polish off of those toes that's messed up and repaint them. I just got white polish. So, that's all I'm doing. I went and got my eyebrows waxed. So, I'm ready. I'm going to do me a little facial and stuff, honey, before I go. And I'll be ready. So, stay tuned for those vlogs. Headed to the airport and, you know, heading to Miami and all that. I will be sure to vlog that stuff. But, it's going to be hard. I've never vlogged in public. So, I may do that on my phone. I don't know if I'm going to do it with the camera. As far as, like, in the airport and stuff. But, once we're on the ship and, you know, all that, I probably will. So, but anywho, that's all for this video, y'all. Just a quick little pack with me. This is all the stuff that I'm going to take. I just have to add me some bras and underwear and, you know, all the other little makeup and jewelry and all that stuff. So, that's that, y'all. I'm excited and I'm tired all at the same time. I started my cycle today. So, that's going to suck. But at least by the time I get off, by the time we get Thursday, it should be like dying down. Friday, it should be gone. Okay? So, yay. But I'm a little drained today because of it. So, I will talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching. See you soon.